Stop scrolling right now, because what I'm about to tell you can save you thousands of dollars in fuel and still give you the power of a full-size American truck. This is not a normal pickup, this is not fully electric, and it's not old-school petrol either. This is the 2026 Dodge Ramcharger, a truck that mixes EV driving with gas backup in a way Asian buyers have been waiting for. If you think big American trucks are too expensive, too thirsty, or too difficult for city traffic, stay with me for the next few minutes, because this truck might completely change your mind. The 2026 Dodge Ramcharger is Dodge's smartest move for global buyers. In the USA, expected starting price is around $68,000, depending on trim and battery size. In Japan, imported pricing can land near 9.5 to 10 million yen. In ASEAN markets like Thailand, Malaysia, or Indonesia through imports, expect prices around $95,000 to $110,000 US due to taxes and duties. Yes, it sounds premium, but once you understand fuel savings, resale value, and long-term ownership, the picture becomes very different. Let's talk about fuel first, because this is where the Ramcharger shines. This truck is a plug-in hybrid with a large battery that can drive fully electric for daily use. For city driving, school runs, office trips, and traffic jams, you can drive almost entirely on electric power. That means near zero fuel use in daily life. When the battery runs low, the petrol engine works as a generator, not a traditional drivetrain. Combined fuel efficiency is expected to feel like over 25 miles per gallon equivalent for a full-size truck, which is incredible. For Asian buyers used to high fuel prices, this alone is a massive advantage. Charging is simple. At home overnight, the battery can be charged like an EV. In many Asian cities where fuel is expensive but electricity is cheaper, this brings big monthly savings. Compared to a full petrol pickup, you can save thousands of dollars per year in fuel. Compared to a full electric truck, you don't get range anxiety. That balance is perfect for Asian conditions. Maintenance cost is another strong point. Because the wheels are driven by electric motors, there is less wear on traditional transmission parts. Oil changes are fewer, brake wear is lower due to regenerative braking, and engine stress is reduced. In the USA, maintenance cost is expected to be lower than traditional V8 trucks. In Asian markets, Dodge parts availability is improving, especially in Japan and Southeast Asia through import networks. Yes, parts are not as cheap as Toyota, but they are far from difficult to get anymore. Resale value is where this truck surprises people. Hybrid and EV-friendly vehicles are holding value better than pure petrol trucks. Because the Ramcharger is future-proof with electric driving and long range, resale value is expected to stay strong, especially in Asian markets where unique American trucks attract premium buyers. 5 years down the line, this truck will still be desirable. Now let's talk performance in simple terms. In city driving, the Ramcharger feels smooth, quiet, and easy. Electric drive means instant torque, so traffic gaps are effortless. No engine noise, no vibration, just smooth movement. Despite its size, low-speed control is excellent, making it more manageable than older big trucks. On highways, it feels confident and relaxed. Acceleration is strong even when fully loaded, and overtaking is easy. You don't need to worry about battery or fuel because the petrol generator keeps everything running smoothly. Ownership cost matters, especially for overseas Asian buyers. Insurance in the USA will be slightly higher than mid-size pickups but reasonable for a premium hybrid truck. In Japan and ASEAN, insurance depends on import status but is comparable to luxury SUVs. Parts availability is improving, and Dodge's global support network is expanding. This is no longer a risky ownership choice like it was 10 years ago. Now let's compare briefly. Against the Tesla electric truck, the Ramcharger wins on flexibility. Tesla gives you full electric driving, but charging infrastructure in many Asian regions is still limited. Long trips can be stressful. The Ramcharger gives you electric daily driving and petrol backup for long journeys. Against the Toyota Hilux, the Ramcharger is bigger, more powerful, and far more advanced. The Hilux wins on simplicity and cheap parts, but it cannot match the comfort, technology, or electric savings of the Ramcharger. So why is this truck smart for Asian roads and traffic? First, electric driving makes stop-and-go traffic quiet and stress-free. Second, fuel savings matter more in Asia than anywhere else. Third, road conditions vary, and this truck handles city roads, highways, and rough surfaces with confidence. Fourth, it offers premium comfort that many Asian buyers expect when spending this level of money. The interior is modern, spacious, and tech-loaded. Big screens, driver assistance systems, and comfort features make long drives easy. For business owners, families, or lifestyle buyers, this truck works as both a daily vehicle and a long-distance machine. It is not just about size, it is about smart engineering. The 2026 Dodge Ramcharger is not just a truck, it is a solution. A solution for high fuel prices, for traffic stress, for long-distance travel, and for future resale value. It gives American power with Asian efficiency, and that combination is rare. If you enjoyed this deep and honest review, hit the like button because it really helps the channel grow. Subscribe now for more real-world car reviews made specially for USA and Asian buyers. And tell me in the comments, would you choose the Ramcharger over a full electric truck or a traditional diesel pickup? See you in the next video.